Welcome to today's demo where I'm going to show you Rotessa's new and improved authorizations. First off, you'll notice that we've changed the name from permission forms to authorizations, and we've given the page a facelift in terms of functionality. We've really tried to slim this page down to make it as easy as possible to collect authorization from your customers. That way, you start getting paid even faster. You now have one permission form instead of having to keep track of a whole bunch of different forms. Simply copy this link, and you can send it to your customers in an email or as a link on your website. To view the form the way your customer would see it, simply press Preview. The form is basically the same as it was, with all the usual information: name, email, bank information. The major change to the form is the ability for customers to set a maximum that they authorize for you to take from their account. To customize your form, simply hit the Edit button. First, you'll see the authorization link that is unique to your company. You can customize that tail of the text to display something that your customers will recognize. It's important to note that if you make a change to this box after you've sent out the link, the old link will no longer work. As with the old forms, you can edit the text on the form if you wish. And as before, you can set up additional fields on your form. The only new option is a customer-defined option that people who accept donations can use. Once you've made the desired changes to your form, just hit Save and your link will be updated to reflect those changes. If you have more questions about authorizations or any other parts of Rotessa, you can check out our support page or email us at support@rotessa.com, and we'd be happy to help. I hope this video has brought clarity to Rotessa's new authorizations.